Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install all the sample schemas one by one in Oracle Database 23C free edition. Okay. So here you can see that I am in Oracle Database 23C home demo schema directory. So under that I extracted all the sample schemas. Okay. So before we proceeding to install, we need to do something. Okay. So let me go to order entry schema. So this is the readme file of order entry schema. So I am copying this perl script. Okay. So I am copying this perl script. So this perl script will replace all the SQL files which is having the string sub underscore CWD with the absolute path. Okay, see here, this perl script will replace the string sub underscore CWD with absolute path, that is present working directory. Okay, so I executed the perl script successfully. Okay, let me go to order entry schema. You can see that the backup file is taken. Let me open one sample SQL file. Yes, you can see that it is replaced by absolute path. So make sure that you have executed this perl script before you start the installation of any schema. Okay. So execute in the directory called schema. So execute the perl script in schema directory. Then only it will replace all the subdirectories. Okay, so let me verify product media also. Yes, you can see that product media SQL files also got replaced with absolute path. So this is very essential in order to proceed the installation of sample schemas in Oracle Database 23C. Okay, now first we proceed to human resources HR schema installation. So human resources schema contains many SQL files, among that HR underscore install.sql. So this is the starting point of the HR schema installation. Okay, this SQL file is a starting point. So this SQL file should be installed first. Okay. So I am copying the path. Okay. I have opened the SQL Plus and logged in as a sys at free pdb1 as sysdba. Okay. So I already logged in as a sys user at free pdb1 pluggable database. Make sure that you are installing in pluggable database. So your pluggable database should be in read write mode. Okay, make sure that, then only you can install the schemas. So now I am executing the HR install.sql. So it will ask for parameters, provide the password for HR and table space. That's it. So installation is completed and verification also done. Okay, installation of HR sample schema is completed. So simply it will ask for HR password and table space. That's it. Only two inputs. So now let me verify the HR user. Okay, let me try to log in directly. HR at free pdb1. Yes, I can able to log in directly. And also I can able to browse the database objects. Select star from employees. Okay, I can also able to execute the queries, which means that user is unlocked. Okay, and available online. So HR schema, that is human resources schema installation, is successful in Oracle Database 23C free edition. Okay, now let me proceed to next one, next schema, another schema. Next I am proceeding to order entry schema. Okay, so order entry schema is a little bit complex one. Okay, so wherever that sub underscore CWD is there, it must be replaced. Okay, replaced with absolute path. Okay, so this is the starting point. Okay, OE underscore main.sql. OE underscore main.sql is the starting point of the order entry schemas installation. So we need to execute OE main.sql. Okay. Okay. Now I am logging SQL Plus is at free PDB1. So free PDB1 is a default pluggable database. Make sure that it's in read write mode. Okay, now I am copying this path. OE underscore main.sql. Yes, so it will ask for some inputs. Provide the password for order entry schema. Table space will be users. Temporary table space will be temp. Password for HR will be HR. So it requires HR schema. Note that point. Okay. Provide the sys password and provide the directory path of the data files and provide the log path. Next, provide the version. So correct string will be free PDB1. So installation is successful. Order entry schema is successfully installed in Oracle Database 23C free PDB1 pluggable database. Okay, now let me try to log in as a order entry user, that is OE user, directly into free PDB1 pluggable database. Yes, I can able to browse the database objects, and also I can able to select some records from tables which is available in order entry schema. Yes, everything is fine here. So order entry schema installation in Oracle Database 23C free PDB1 pluggable database is successful. Okay, now let me proceed to another schema, next schema. Okay, next schema will be product media schema. Okay, so next I am going to install product media schema. So in product media schema, pm underscore main.sql is the starting point of the product media schema installation. So we need to execute the pm underscore main.sql file. So this will install everything. Okay, so make sure that sub underscore CWD string is replaced with absolute path. Okay, okay, now I am logging as a sysdba in free pdb1 pluggable database to execute this product media queries. We are going to install product media schema pm underscore main.sql. So it will ask for some parameters. Provide a password for PM. Default table space will be users. Temporary table space will be temp. And it requires order entry schema also. Make sure that order entry schema is installed first. So provide the password for order entry schema and provide the password for sys user. And provide the data files directory and provide the log path. Okay. And provide the working directory path. And finally provide the connect string. Connect string will be free pdb1. That's it. So product media schema installation is successful. So I did not see any errors. So user is created, grants are succeeded, table created and data is loaded. So this is very small schema. Okay, so anyway, let me verify from SQL Plus whether I can able to log in directly. PM at free pd1. Let me try from SQL Plus whether I can able to directly PM at free pdb1. Okay, yes, I can able to log in product media schema from SQL Plus, and also I can able to browse the database objects, able to select some records. So finally product media schema installation is successful in Oracle database 23C free pdb1 pluggable database. Okay, so now let us proceed to next schema. The next schema will be sales history schema. So I am going to install sales history schema. So sh underscore install.sql. So this is the starting point of sales history schema installation. So I am going to install sh underscore install.sql. That is, I am going to execute sh underscore install.sql, which is the starting point of the sales history schema installation. Also you can see that some comma separated values files are there. We are also going to insert some records using that CSV files. Okay, that I will show you later. Now let us install the basic things. So log into SQL Plus sys at free PDB1 sysdba. Okay, sales stress schema sh_install.sql. So it will ask for some parameter. Provide the password for user sales history sh user. Enter the table space. That's it. So users table will be the table space will be the default table space. Okay. So here installation is successful. Okay. So table is altered. Okay. I mean user created, table created, table altered. Okay. But some of the few tables I can able to see that values are not loaded. Okay, even though I can able to see this message, come down, let me come down, see here that verification. Okay, so you can see that cost table, okay, customers table, promotion, sales, times and supplementary demographic tables have 0 records. Okay, provided you can see many records are there, but actual you can see only 0 records are there. So 6 tables are loaded with 0 records. Okay, so which means that it's not picking up the CSV files. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to Windows machine. Okay, so this database is running in Oracle Linux virtual machine. So I am logged into Windows host machine. From Windows host machine I am going to load this comma separated values to the database running in Oracle Linux 8 Oracle database 23C free PDB sales history schema. Okay, so sh at free PDB1, user sh, password also sh, service name will be free PDB1, and host name I am giving the IP of the Oracle database 23C free machine. It is Oracle Linux 8 machine. Yes, connection is successful. Okay, I can able to connect the data from SQL Developer. Sorry, I am able to connect the SH schema from SQL Developer, and also I can able to browse the objects. But you can see that that customers table, okay, sales table, times table, supplementary demographics table. So these tables have empty records, that is no records are there. So what I am going to do, I am going to so I extracted the db sample schemas 23.1.zip file in my Windows machine. So these are the CSV files, okay, comma separated value files. I am going to load from Windows machine via SQL Developer to database. Okay, first now instead of loading cost table, I am loading the times table, times.csv. So this is the first table should be loaded. Yes, so data import is successful to times table. Okay, so note the point, times table is the first table should be loaded. Let me load the promotions table with the promotions.csv. Yes, so import data is successful. I can able to view the data. So times and promotions. Let me load the costs. Yes, so import data is successful for cost table. Okay, customers. Yes. Next, sales table. So sales.csv file is loaded into sales table. Yes, so import is successful for sales table. I can able to view the data also. Next, I am loading supplementary demo graphics. Yes, so I have loaded all the data to sales history schema now. Okay, so now sales history schema loaded with the data. Let me try to log in SQL Plus sh at free pdb1. Yes, I can able to select the records in SQL Plus. So previous version of database, there will be only dat file will be there. From Oracle database 23C onwards, they have changed to CSV file, that is comma separated value file, which is very easy to load the data. So sales history schema installation in Oracle database 23C free PDB1 pluggable database is successful. So finally we are going to install customer order schema. So I am going to install customer order schema. So co underscore install.sql. So this is the starting point of customer order schema installation. So this will install everything. Okay, this will call all the SQL files and install everything. So I am copying that path. Go to SQL Plus. Sys at free pdb1 sysdba. cu underscore install.sql. That's it. So it will ask for a password, table space, users will be the table space. That's it. Yes. So customer order schema installed successful. So I did not see any errors. Okay. So you can see the verification results are fine. So all the records are updated correctly. So customer order schema installation in Oracle database 23C free edition is successful. So also I can able to log in to SQL Plus directly as a CO user. Okay, so overall all the schemas are installed successfully in Oracle database 23C free edition in free PDB1 pluggable database instance. Make sure that you have replaced the string, that is sub underscore CWD, using the perl script which I have shown earlier, right? So I think order entry schema and product media schema should be replaced with that perl script. Okay, so rest of the schemas are fine. And sales history schema I have faced on problem in loading the data, so that I resolved by importing the data in SQL Developer. So everything is fine.